I have been on a mission looking for a small, fast, portable SSD that I could travel with, especially something that I could shoot with my phone. Now, you guys know I'm a huge fan of my Crucial X10. It's actually connected and rendering video, so I can't disconnect it now. You've seen this guy before. You guys are all also really familiar with the SanDisk, your standard issue guys. Anyway, I have been looking for a hot minute, and when this guy was a Kickstarter, I bought this like almost a year ago, which is pretty hilarious. It was for my MacBook Pro when I first got it, but I never did get the M2s to put inside. I just kept forgetting about it. Anyway, once I got the new M4 Mini, and I've been recording a lot and shooting direct to disc with my phone, I wanted something small and portable. So I had two of these laying around. I just went to the Best Buy and I picked up this Western Digital. It is the SN770M. Box is open because I installed it into the little Sharge. Look at this thing. Family, look at this thing. Let me get you a regular SD card so you can see about how big this is. This is a regular SD card. That's it. As a matter of fact, the M2 drive that's in here is about the size of this, just a slight bit more. And I mean, we're not that far from being able to put M2s directly in the camera. This guy is really cool because of its size. Now, this is bigger than it really is. I have it in a protective case. And again, like I said, I bought two. This is the gray one. I'm going to take the gray one out of the case because now I got that one ready to pack. So let me pop this out. There's a little plexiglass door, acrylic, and then this is how big the drive is. This. Now, the M2 that I put in here is a 2 terabyte Screamer from Western Digital. I picked it up for $140 at Best Buy. It's normally like $179. Price match Amazon. You know what it is. So you can go on Amazon. And again, I like Western Digital or Samsung in this particular case. Also like Crucial. There's a whole bunch of brands on there. Some of them I never heard much of, so I just didn't bother. I'll probably put a Allbirds one in this one. So I have one for video, one for just sort of travel and collecting photos and things. But this guy is that tiny. And all you do is on the side here, there's a switch. You hit that, and it allows you to open this little glass door. Of course, when I say that, don't come open. All right. Ooh, it's magnetic, so it closed on me. All right, so there's a little glass door. It comes with these two little rubber nubbins that hold the M2 in place. So you put down a piece of thermal tape that it comes with, and it comes with a little rubber nubbin. You put your M2 in, you push the rubber nubbin in, and that drive becomes secure in this little case. Notice in the back there's a fan to control the thermals, because the reason why SSD drives get slow is they get hot. That's it. So it has a cool little fan, and I wanted you to hear what the fan noise sound like. So let me, this keychain to die for, because you basically connect these two together. That's what they expect you to do with this tiny little beaner ring, which there's no way I'm going to get these two together. My hands are way too big. Let's see. Can I pull it off? No, his hands are cute. He can do it. Yes. So this is what you get. A little cord with a little keychain. Anyway, so you open up the keychain. You pull the little cord out like such. There it is. This is female. This is male. Open the little top here. And as you saw, the top of the drive is male. So you put it on. Unlock your phone. This is a 15 Pro Max. Nope, 16 Pro Max. Plug it in. Give it a second. There's the drive fan. Not that loud. A lot of people said it was loud. Let me open the door. Okay, that's how loud it is. I mean, it's there. It's there. I don't know if that would bother me. In this case, I don't want to close the door because I want it to breathe. So I could just record like this. Now, if I'm shooting this on my phone to use it to shoot video, I would connect it to my cage and I would just take the door off, because luckily the case is silicone, easy to pull the door off. And I would just leave it like this. And of course, take this little keychain back off, which I may never get off with my huge fingers. Can you do it? Dang it. I knew I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, that is it. I tested these guys out for speed. I'll post the speeds up on the screen. It is relatively fast for what it is. And that was plugging it straight with this little cable, or I physically took the body and pushed it straight into the Mac Studio. The speed was basically the same, so I'll put the chart up now. I'm curious if I do this directly on the Thunderbolt port, because the front ports on the Mac Studio aren't fast, so I'll try plug it in to the Thunderbolt port on my MacBook Pro and see if it's any quicker. But it's more than enough. I mean, I'm not editing bigger than 8K. It can jump up to 8K as far as it was with the speed. So perfect portable little drive. And you know, at the end of the day, the 140 for this guy, and it was like $40 for the case. It's about the same price as buying a prefix drive, but this is faster. So part of it is novelty, and once it stops working, like, you know, it gets cool enough, the fan stops making noise. So part of it is novelty. Part of it is just the size. I mean, look how tiny this little guy is. So this is the Sharge Disk Enclosure. This enclosure is also on Amazon. You can find it as Satechi, if you're familiar with that brand. Some people say Sateki, whatever, call it what you will. There are a bunch of different brands out there. I like the build quality of Sharge, Sateki, and Dock Case, DLCK case. I'm DLC. But so if you're looking to build one, those would be my recommendations for the case. I'll put all those links down there below. But it's just a really cool little novel drive. I like the Bumblebee look, and yeah, it's cool. It's gonna easy to travel with. And yeah, I can't wait to take this on my little vacay right here. I'm about to take off to go speak at a conference. So I'm going to use this to capture a lot of footage and make it work. So there you go. Grab yourself one. Go make one. Now, if you like this type of stuff, write that down in the comments below. I'm trying to design, as I'm doing this every day, I want to make sure I'm giving you content that you can use, value. So if there's anything you want to know about, drop that down in the comment section below. If you're looking for a portable disc and you got questions or you don't really understand what I just said, if everything I say was Greek to you, cool, let me know. I can do it in Japanese, Korean, Spanish, and English. Greek, not so much. But let me know if you need any help. I'm down to help. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. And right now, the algorithm is going to show you another video that I think you should watch, and I agree with them. Press it. Press it.
I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet.